Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Oke, Sobat Getris, now we try to learn how to create object, and the object will be filled by image. Yeah, okay. I will give you some example. Maybe use another object. Yeah, okay. Maybe triangle. We can fill the triangle like this. Yeah, okay. Maybe copy, maybe paste. Then I try to fill it by gradient color. Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, then okay, with the color. And if we want to give this shape the color image, we can do like this. Yeah, but we must import first. Yeah, we must import first the image we will be coloring on triangle shape. Yeah, okay. I will try to find background. Okay, edit sample. Okay, this one. Okay, import this. Yeah, and we can reduce, or maybe, for example, yeah, if okay, copy again. Okay, we can see the result like this. If we want to move this image to this triangle, we can try this way. Choose the image and then menu effect, then power clip, place inside container. Okay, you can see the result. Okay, and you can compare like this. Yeah, I will extract content first. Yeah, because the image must too big from triangle, and this image will be center from this triangle. Okay, let's see the try ways. Okay, I will resizing first. Okay, try, choose the image, effect, power clip, place inside container, and choose this triangle. The result look like this. Yeah, different from this result. Okay, let's try again. Control C, Control V, like this. If we want to, it's increase. Okay. How about if we want to make this image, yeah, to place container on this shape? We must modify first. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, maybe like this. And then we have the image bigger than shape. Yeah, bigger than shape, but I'm not sure. Maybe the result like this. Yeah, okay, let's try. Effect, power clip, place inside container. Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, okay. We'll insert container first. Okay, it's about shape. How about text? Yeah, maybe text. Okay, I think first designs and choose maybe big bold font. Oh, but this no. Okay, where is the bold font? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, I can copy first, paste. I will show you the difference. Maybe coloring, maybe gradient color, or we try to give the color with image. Yeah, okay, like this. Yeah, but I will give you two example. Yeah, maybe I want here. Yeah, we must resize first the image. Use shape tool. Okay, like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, okay. If we want to place this image to font, we must change the font first to curve. Yeah, now it's shape, not font again. And then choose the image, effect, power clip, place inside container, and then the image here. Yeah, okay, let's try again. But I want to make a difference, maybe like this. Okay, like this. Yeah, and we must convert to curve first. Choose the image, effect, power clip, place inside container. Yeah, it's the different result. That's a way how to make a field use color. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on
See you soon,
next session.
Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.